How to fix Bank of America app error. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings. Now navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network and give a fresh restart to your router and rezone it. Likewise, you can switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, you will need to update your app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now, at the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Bank of America and then search for it. With that, app will appear. Now, at the right corner of it, if you see the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, you'll need to clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General, get over to the option of iPhone Storage. Now here you can find different apps that are installed on your device. Find the app Bank of America. Once you find it, open it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on the option of Delete app. With that, you're gonna get the pop-up. Click on Delete app for the confirmation. The app will be deleted. Once deleted, close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Bank of America. After the app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.